Alright, boys. Today, we're going to be making some of this sweet recipe. It's not really sweet. Oh, look, it's Michelle. It's Michelle. Michelle's already here. Drop a like on this video. Alright, so today we're going to make some delicious onion rings with mozzarella in it. Hopefully yours turns out better than mine. It wasn't that bad. It actually was. It tasted pretty good. Anyway, So now we're gonna peel the onion. By the way, warning: if your eyes are not necessarily good at handling onions, if you know what I mean, please don't. Please just find another way of something. Ask someone else. I don't want you to suffer. I suffered enough. You guys will see in a second. Now we dice the onion. Just slice the onions in these little portions, you know. Yeah, just leave it. As you guys can see, Master's a bit, professional. He's a god. Now we're just gonna pull them apart like so, which is really important. Michelle, stop licking the backpack. Right. All right. Now, as you guys can see, I'm making these beautiful pears, I'd say. I'm not sure if it's working out, to be honest, but it's kind of happening. It's pretty good, actually. What I would like to say is that people actually can eat this. Like, all you need to do is deep fry this. So you're not that hard. It's not that complicated, actually. And it doesn't take a lot of time to prepare, other than the freezing time for the onions and the mozzarella, because those have to be frozen. Anyway, we'll talk about that later. Right, chef left to cry. Right, he's back. What is he doing? What is he? Oh, what a god. He's still taking them apart. Onions are actually pretty hard to take apart and handle correctly. Dude, he's crying. He's so not okay. He's so close to dying right now. Look at him. He's gonna quit soon. It's inevitable. See? This is what he does for you guys. This is what he does for the subscribers. Smash that like, smash that subscribe button. This is what he does. This is what Master does for you. I hope you guys are actually able to acknowledge and value Master for his dedication and power he puts in his videos. I hope you guys appreciate that. But now, it's enough of that. Now we're gonna do some beautiful things. Now we're gonna fill the onions with, the mozzarella. Man's having seizures, but that's okay. The thing is, you don't want to buy too cheap mozzarella, or you don't. It just has to be cheese, really. Just make sure that you get the cheese really nice and doesn't break necessarily. Now we put it in the freezer for 2 or 3 hours. Now, the freezer thing, I told you that I'm gonna talk about this later. You have to put it in the freezer. Look at how happy he is. Let's go. Smart outfit. So you have to put it in the freezer because it's gonna make sure it stays together in the deep frying process. It's really important. Watch this. It's super hard. You might not notice it or see it, but when you actually hold it in your hands, it's you'll know it, dog. You'll know it. All right. Now we're gonna break some of those eggs for the what's it called? Deep frying, and put in some salt in the eggs. Mix them up a little. Break the yolks. It's really important. Otherwise, it just doesn't work like that. You have to. Some more salt on the onions. Some more mixing. It's really important that you mix them together really nicely. And now we're gonna salt off with the flour, and then put it in the eggs. Just put in very nicely. Make sure it absorbs everything. Now the breadcrumbs, and then no more breadcrumbs, and then eggs, and some more. This is double coating. Look, it's Michelle's tail. What a nice girl. So now we have that done, which is really important. It's almost all right. We got another one. We put the done one aside. It's really nice. So do the same steps. Eggs, so flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, eggs, breadcrumbs. That's basically it. It's that simple. I told you it's not a complicated recipe, especially when you're a godlike master over there. Look at him, Adidas. Look at him, a Freiburger, or whatever that is, beer. What a guy. Man, look at how cool he is. He's so tall he can't even fit in frame. I just pointed that out so you guys can hate on me in the comments. We're almost done, just making sure we prepare the last one. So again, he's demonstrating just a little bit, just a little bit of that. Just make sure you get all them eggs in it so you don't, waste anything. And then breadcrumbs. Just some more breadcrumbs, and then that's it. That's it. That's literally it. That's done. Now we gotta clean the fingers. Alright, smooth cut. Okay, now we're gonna officially deep fry it in really hot oil. Yes, there we go. It's really cool. Really cool. Hey, slap your head. Slap your head. Alright. Keep on deep frying it until it's nice golden. Alright. It's beautiful. It really looked nice actually. It also smelled nice. I like that about it a lot. Now see, that's the kind of color you want, but a bit darker, I think. Master is not really good at handling that thing. Some more hand signals. Yep, that's really important. And then some dances. It's really cool. Alright, at the end, now we're just gonna flip it over one last time, I think, just to make sure that they're evenly cooked. Like that one side's a bit more, nicer than the other one. I think some of these are done soon. Just let it, fry through, like, thoroughly. It's really nice. It's almost done. I think I'm gonna get the one out on the right soon because it's done. It's literally done. Yep, here we go. Smooth camera change. Yeah, yeet. Dude, I had this on a tripod so Master could cook, but also had to move the tripod because I was not doing it, I'm the cameraman. Alright, Salt Bay. Warning, do not do this. Like, you might get salt poisoning, sodium poisoning. But Chris Landano, you did this to me. You had me do this. I hope you're happy. Alright, look at that nice quality. Even though the cheese is not necessarily visible a lot, you know that the flavor, it has a little cheese feeling in it. Alright, okay, so as you guys could see, Master was really delighted to eat this one. He was really happy. He also approved it. He gave it 4 out of 5. I'd suggest this because it's a really easy recipe. Thank you for watching.